All right, folks, welcome to episode 1 of intake manifold repair from hell. Yeah, got the truck stuck out in Los Banos yesterday, and the reason is way back here. It's impossible to see it from this view, but way down here behind the cylinder head, the intake manifold gasket rotted through and all my coolant came out. So here I am. I'm going to take this whole intake manifold off to put new gaskets. But it's not an easy one. I had to take off the alternator goes here, AC compressor goes right here, way down below. Lucky I had a power steering puller down here where the power steering pulley was. There's a couple of bolts behind it that hold this big old bracket on here, and this bracket has to move forward for me to take that bolt off. Okay, so I got that all done. Remove the heater hoses, EGR valve tube, almost all the wire harness, every darn plug on all the emission controls and all the ignition and everything. I got that all off. I'm going to put new heater hoses which hook up back there on the heater core, you can see. So the next step is I need to take the distributor out. And there's a couple of bolts back there, and I'm going to try to take this whole intake manifold off as a unit and leave the valve body and all the goodies on the intake manifold. We'll see how that goes. Supposedly you can do it that way. Okay, well anyways, I will do another video after I have it apart.